Hello guys, welcome back with me again to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a cutout stroke in Capcut using the body effect feature. So in here, I've already added a clips to my Capcut, and then I'm going to just go to effects and go to the body effects, and in here click on the stroke category. Okay, so here you can see there are lots of options, the stroke options that you can choose. For example, this is the streamer stroke, so it will go like this, or this is the paper stroke. So some of them is on Capcut Pro, so you need to pay for it to use the Pro ones. I'm going to just select the cutout poster here, and then you can adjust it. You can adjust the texture, you can adjust the filter, the speed, and also intensity. Okay, after you adjust, you can just click on the check icon and your cutout stroke will be applied to your video like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.